Here we have Ripple, symbol XRP versus the dollar, being requested by Mr. Spike Keystone. And this one, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, did get listed on Coinbase Pro today and then got immediately delisted for maintenance. Perhaps, I don't think it's like actually being delisted, but just a little bit of maintenance if I had to guess. But for right now, nice quick move to the upside and quick rejection to follow. But this is still a 12-hour, and we have another 5 hours, 39 minutes, and 53 seconds left to go. So a little bit too early to judge this one for right now. What I can say, though, is that any sort of closure here or higher will confirm hidden bullish divergence on 12-hour RSI. We would see 12-hour BBWP continue to expand. Moving average is obviously very positively sloped. And we do see, well, in this case, that would actually be trend continuation, as we are still somewhat operating on higher lows. Looking at the daily right here, do we still have that as well? Actually, we do, and that can bleed on over into the daily if the 12-hour does confirm above those levels. Again, 12-hour above about $1.20 would look really, really good, and bleed on into the daily. We'd have the same sort of signal right there, and that extend targets all the way up to about $1.35 to $1.40 or so. Weekly is okay. It looks sloppy as fuck, but that's just Ripple, I think. 4-hour, where did I invalidate this idea is the real question. Invalidation would very easily be below 107 and a half, actually, would invalidate this idea. And I would be looking for, you know, I'd be looking for price action back down to about 90 to 92 cents or so. But for right now, I actually do kind of like this. And I would give it the benefit of the doubt just based off of today around this market. So let's go check it out from a momentum perspective, and daily will actually flip back up above 135. So wouldn't be looking for any like major trending move today on a higher term time frame. 12-hour, however, is very interesting. In fact, this one really does help round out the short and medium term time frame analysis. 115 and a half, any sort of a closure above there, I would look for, well, obviously momentum also will turn back up, but I would look for a continuation at the very least to about $1.30, and then see how the daily closes after that. 4-hour is going to be up as long as above $1.10, and hourly is going to be actually down right now as long as below about 119. So a little bit of a short-term correction right here, but I actually would not invalidate this as long as you're above about $1.07 and a half. Until then, sideways and up is the name of the game here. It's okay, actually. It's actually okay. I just want to see that 12-hour confirm that hidden bullish divergence, and that would look pretty damn good. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for the Ripple crew.